Welcome back, all my dear children. I hope you all are fine. So, let us now start. Today, we are going to study the second lesson in English, that is, Go and Come. This is the story of a little boy who was very playful and naughty, just like you all, and his uncle, who was very strict. His uncle believed in hard work and discipline. This little boy, he lived in a pretty little cottage. Cottage means a small simple house. It is mostly seen in rural areas. And this cottage was surrounded by a lovely garden. Different kinds of plants grew in the garden, so there was a lot of work to do there. Just like we keep our rooms clean, the garden too had to be kept clean. So let us now see all the works that had to be done to keep the garden clean. The first work was watering. Watering means to water the plants. The plants had to be watered every day. The second work was weeding. Weeding means removing unwanted plants from the garden. The third work was to prune. Pruned means to cut the unwanted parts of plants so that the plants can grow strong. And the last was to give manure to the plants from time to time. Manure means material that is mixed with the soil to help plants grow. Everybody in the little boy's family helped to take care of the garden. One day, the strict uncle who came to stay with them saw the boy playing outside. The boy was enjoying. The uncle immediately called out to the boy and said, "Your garden needs weeding. Go now and weed it like a good child." But the boy did not feel like weeding that day. He said, "I can't do it." "Oh, yes, you can," said the uncle. "Well, I don't want to do it now," said the little boy. But the uncle said that you must do it now, and don't be naughty and get back to work at once. This is an order. The boy was now very sad. He went to a corner and he sat still. His eyes were welled up. Welled up means filled with tears. And his chin began to wobble. The boy was very unhappy. He was very sad because he didn't want to do the work right now. Just then, his mother walked in. Mother asked the boy, "What's the matter? Why do you look so unhappy?" The boy said, "Uncle told me to weed the garden." Mother replied, "Oh, what fun that will be! I love to weed, and it is such a fine day. Can I come to help you to weed?" The boy immediately replied yes, and got up readily and went out with his mother. The two of them weeded the garden beautifully and had a very good time together, working and chatting and laughing. Both of them were very happy now. So from this lesson, children, we learn the value of hard work and not to be lazy, to complete all our works on time as well as to help others to complete their work. Just like how mother helped the little boy to weed the garden, we too should help others to complete their work. So let us now study all the new words with the meanings that we have learnt in this lesson. The first word is cottage, a small, simple house. The second word is watering. It means to water the plants. If we do not water the plants will dry up. So, we have to water the plants every day. The third word is weeding. Weeding means removing unwanted plants from the garden. The fourth word is pruned, to cut the unwanted part of the plant. And the fifth word is manure. Manure means material mixed with soil to help plants grow. Let us now study the opposite word and repeat after me. Little, big, pretty, ugly, day, night, everybody, nobody, unfair, fair, unhappy, happy. Let us now study genders. Right now we are going to do two genders, and that are masculine gender and feminine genders. Masculine means all the male genders and feminine means all the female gender. What is the feminine gender for boy? Girl. The feminine gender for uncle? Aunt. The feminine gender for mother? Father. Okay, children, take care and thank you for listening patiently to me.